Hello guys! Today in math we will learn about greater than, less than and equal to. Hello my friends! Today in math we will learn about how to compare quantities. For that we will use these three words: greater than, less than and equal to. Before we start, let's remember some basic concepts that we need to know for this class. Do you remember these concepts? A lot of, a few. Let's watch this video.
Hello! What a wonderful day for a boat ride! Look, there are frogs in the water. A lot of frogs are jumping and a few frogs are still. Look at this fish. There are a lot of fish jumping. A lot of fish. And a few ones are swimming. Look at these beautiful ducks. Rabbit has a lot of cookies. And here we have a few ducks. A lot of cookies for a few ducks. You are so nice. Thank you, Bunny. Bye-bye.
Well done! Now that you remember these concepts, let's learn about greater than, less than, equal to. First, let's watch and listen to this song.
There was an alligator living in the swamp, would sneak up on numbers and start to chomp. Whenever two numbers sat on the ground, she'd face the bigger one and gobble it down. When there are two numbers that are the same, the gator changes form and she swaps her name. Because she isn't sure exactly how to dine, she stands right in the middle as an equal sign. Number gators like to eat what's greater. They turn their backs on what is less. Their mouths open wide for the bigger side, and they munch down the whole great mess.
Okay, do you remember the animal in the video? Yes, it was an alligator. Today, I want to introduce you to my new friends.
Hello all, I'm Ali the alligator. You know what? I love to eat. And every time I see a lot of things together, I just eat them. With me, today you will learn three new words: greater than, less than, equal to. Let's start with greater than. Every time you see a group of a lot of things or a group of more elements than another one, I will ask you to help me eat. Remember, I like to eat a lot. Look, here we have two groups of cookies. This group has 8 cookies. This group has 2 cookies. I think I will eat this group. 8 is greater than 2. This is my sister Leslie. She also likes to eat a lot. Look at this group of cookies. Do you think she will eat it? No. Remember, she likes to eat a lot, just like me. This group has 2 cookies. This other group has 6 cookies. 2 is less than 6, so she will eat that group, of course. Equal to. Sometimes I get really confused. Look at here. We have 2 groups of cookies. This group has 2 cookies. This other group has 2 cookies. Which one is greater than the other one? 2 is equal to 2. When that happens, I just don't feel like eating anything.
We love to play with kids, but I know it's a bit hard to draw alligators like us. To make it easier, I will show you how can you draw our faces and start playing with us. This is me. To play with me, you have to use my face and say greater than when the first group is bigger than the other one. This is Leslie. To play with her, you have to use her face and say less than when the first group is smaller than the other one. This is me when I'm confused. When the 2 groups have the same amount of elements, you have to use my face and say equal to. Now that you know this, let's play. Let's count these 2 groups of cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This group has 9 cookies. Let's count the other group of cookies. 1, 2, 3. This group has 3 cookies. Remember, when the first group is bigger than the other one, it's me, Ali, who eats it. And remember to use these words. 9 is greater than 3. Okay, let's count now these 2 groups of cookies. In the first group, we have 1, 2 cookies. In the second group, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this group, we have 6 cookies. Remember, when the first group is smaller than the other one, is Leslie the one who eats the bigger group. When we use her face, remember to use these words. 2 is less than 6. Let's count this group of cookies now. 1, 2, 3. This group has 3 cookies. The other group has 1, 2, 3. This group has 3 cookies. When the 2 groups have the same number of elements, we use this symbol and say 3 is equal to 3. Well done! Let's play now with candies. Look at these 2 groups of candies. The first group has 3 candies. The second group has 1 candy. Is 3 greater than 1, less than 1, or equal to 1? Yes, 3 is greater than 1. Remember, when the first group is greater, we use this symbol and say 3 is greater than 1. Let's check another example. The first group has 2 candies. The second group has 6 candies. Is 2 greater than 6, less than 6, or equal to 6? Yes, 2 is less than 6. Remember, when the first group is smaller, we use this symbol and say 2 is less than 6. Look at here now. In the first group, we have 3 candies. In the second group, we have 3 candies. Is 3 greater than 3, less than 3, or equal to 3? Very good. 3 is equal to 3. Remember, when the two groups have the same number of elements, we use this symbol and say 3 is equal to 3. Now it's your turn to play with us. Look at the first group of strawberries. How many strawberries are there? Yes, 3 strawberries. How many strawberries has the second group? Very good, 3. Which symbol do you think we should use here? Excellent! 3 is equal to 3. Let's look now at the first group of apples. On the first group of apples, do we have how many apples? Very good, 5 apples. And in the second group of apples, we have 2 apples. Very good. Which symbol do you think we should use here? Greater than, less than, or equal to? Very good. 5 is greater than 2. Okay, let's look at the first group of cookies now. How many cookies are there? Very good. There are 3 cookies. How many cookies are in the second group? Excellent. In the second group, we have 7 cookies. Now, which symbol do you think we should use here? Greater than, less than, or equal to? Very good. 3 is less than 7. Let's try to play now just with numbers. Are you ready? This is number 3. And this is the number 3 too. Which symbol do you think we should use here? Is 3 greater than 3? Is 3 equal to 3? Or is 3 less than 3? Very good. 3 is equal to 3. Here we have number 8. And here we have the number 1. Is 8 greater than 1, equal to 1, or less than 1? Very good. 8 is greater than 1. Here we have the number 2. Here we have the number 9. Which symbol do you think we should use here? Is 2 greater than 9? Is 2 equal to 9? Is 2 less than 9? Very good. 2 is less than 9. One more time. Here we have number 5. And here, number 5 again. Which symbol do you think we should use here? Is 5 greater than 5? Is 5 equal to 5? Or is 5 less than 5? Excellent! 5 is equal to 5. You did a great job! Now that you know how to use these words and symbols, I'm gonna give you a new mission for this week. Using sticks, you have to create the greater than symbol, the less than symbol, and the equal to symbol. Play with them using toys and numbers. Ask your mom or dad to make 2 groups of toys for you. Count and use greater than, less than, and equal to compare those groups of toys. Remember to send me pictures or a video of you using these words. Have fun! See you next week!